Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very random video. I did not plan to make this video at all, but guys, I have something to show to you and I'm trying to be as quiet as possible, so please ignore the voice, okay? I have this I have two feelings. I feel very emotional. I'm in my feelings, like I actually teared up, do you understand? But then I'm also feeling sad, unhappy, and I'll explain why. So this is my first ever Christmas gift in the United States of America. I have been here for 2 years. Last year my Christmas was like in my room in the school, and it was pretty just me, you know, doing something I can't even remember, so it wasn't memorable. So this year I'm in my uncle's house, and so I really don't know how people celebrate Christmas here. It's different, but I figure that, you know, there's a lot of exchange of gifts, and because I was moving, I didn't quite know what I was supposed to do. And so I got here, I was down, sick, still a bit down though. Then one day I saw my my uncle's daughter trying to do some, you know, gift wrapping under the Christmas tree. And I'm like, oh, what's going on? How is Christmas celebrated and all of those things? And then she's like, she tried explaining to me and everything. And she's like, they would open up the gifts on Christmas morning. So yesterday I spoke to a friend. Actually, I spoke to that friend 2 days before. And so he called me like 2 days ago, and I was pretty sick. I couldn't take his call. So this story is becoming very long, but please bear with me. So yesterday when he called me, and then I just told him I'm feeling like, you know, I'm just feeling bad that I don't have anything to actually give out, and it's too sudden, and again I'm actually, you know, very sick, and I cannot go out to like make, you know, last minute arrangements because I'm new here, I don't know anywhere. And then he was like, you know, that's actually going to be bad, because what if they have a gift for you? It will be very bad. And I'm like, oh my god, you know. So I told him about the fact that she had explained that in the morning they were going to be unwrapping the gifts, and my plan was to hide in my room throughout. So long story short, he was like I should try talk to, you know, them and explain to them why things are the way they are. And I was going to do that last night, but then, you know, they had like a family guest, and so it's been busy, and it was late when we had that conversation, so it wasn't just the right time, so I couldn't have that conversation apparently. So this morning I woke up pretty late because I slept pretty late as well. I went downstairs to drop off, I think, a glass or something, and I saw them making cookies. I'm like, I was praying I wouldn't want to see anybody. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I quickly did what I was supposed to do, and then I went back up and, you know, went to my room and started doing something else. I could hear them trying to like doing the normal unwrapping thing downstairs, but I just knew it was going to happen. I heard footsteps. Guys, wait for it. This is when it happens. I heard footsteps, and then I heard a knock, because in my mind I'm like, please, nobody should knock on this door, please. And if anybody should knock, it should be my uncle, because I know maybe he will not be coming with a gift or anything. Allowing me to stay in this, you know, in his house is already a huge gift. Do you understand? So I'm like, at least if he's my uncle, you know, I'll feel much better, because I'm not expecting him to give me more than he has already given me. Do you get me? So when I heard the knock, I'm like, who's there? It's open, and Chichi walks in. She walks in and she has this gift wrap. She's like, I have this gift for you. Ah man, it touched me. Like, it touched me. I was happy, I was sad, I just couldn't, you know that feeling when I just tried to hold it because I didn't want to tear up in her presence. And then I used that opportunity to talk to her and explain why, I wasn't prepared, especially because I really don't know how it works. And then moving, everything, finals, relocation, graduation, everything, so it was pretty hard. And I also did let her know, which is very important, that I do owe herself and her brother a gift, which I'll definitely do very soon. So yeah, long story short, I have my gift and it's my first Christmas gift, so this is very memorable. So even if it's a pen, I'll treasure it because it's the first gift I've ever received in the United States of America on Christmas Day, like on Christmas Day. So I'm having the experience and I'm feeling like, oh my god, I really want to actually show you guys my reaction, but I don't want to go too extra because again, I'm in my uncle's house, so oh my god, I didn't expect this to happen. Wow, oh my god, here we go guys. So this is she actually spelled my name right. This is it, to Valeen, from Chichi. It just reminds me, first of all, that time when we were in high school or secondary school and a boy is trying to impress you. He sends you this gift or this card, and then it's like from the love of your life or your admirer. Those kind of things that happen. Okay, I'm just trying not to quickly unbox it because for some reason I'm just attached to the wrapping, the packaging, the inscription. Everything means a lot to me, something sentimental. Yeah, so let's do this guys. Just guess what's inside. I don't even have an idea because I'm like, it's just been like less than 5 days that I've been here, so I don't know. It will be hard. Okay, I'm looking into the camera because I don't want to see. I just want to be guys, oh my god, oh my guys, can you see this? Like, no, can you? No, check it out. See, I'm in love. So guys, she got me a French lavender scented body care tray. So you have in here a body wash, a body lotion, a foaming bath, so that's the 3 things I have on here. And guys, it's very thoughtful. Do you know why this is thoughtful? It's the best gift ever because now moving here, I had all my things packed. You know when you're moving and then you think you have everything, and so you take your body wash and everything, but the day of the trip you use them and then you forget them. So I forgot my soap, my toothbrush, my body wash, all of those things. So this is actually very helpful because I really don't have these. I had to ask Chichi's father to help me with something, and he gave me like the soap and all of those things. So she's very thoughtful. This is very kind of her because she's a girl, she understands, and I am so thankful. This is the best gift ever. I have to top it. Do you understand? I have to go extra when I'm getting things for them. Oh my god, this is just so cute. Wow, so that's it guys. Let me bring it out. I don't want to open it. So this is how it comes. This is the body wash. This is the body lotion. This is the foaming bath lotion as well. So final words, I just want to say thank you Chichi for thinking about this. I am very grateful. I am very thankful. I am so thank you. I'm really, 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 really grateful. You made my Christmas very memorable because I know I'm going to remember this for a very, very long time. And you're actually the first, so that's a huge deal. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate your family for taking me in. I just can't, you know. I have to go, guys. Bye.
My dear, for hold mine aside. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.